was watching Lion King, you guys, and I was like, oh snap, I gotta check on this. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's literally like a centimeter thick. I mean, look at that, you guys. It's literally making an outline. Am I just amazed because I've always wanted a 3D printer? I have no idea. This is amazing. I'll clean up my room in a little while. Oh my goodness, I'm sitting on something hard. I was sitting on scissors. Right. And this. 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 Probably need to keep all of that just in case, you know. Gotta straighten up this wire. Please straighten the filling. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at the layers on it. Look at the layers. Oh, come on, bro. Bring it back out. Bring it back out.